Hi, my name's Nick, I'm from Belgium. These are some of the voices I can do. Hope you enjoy.
It takes a long time to say anything in old English.
No, but in good time, Master Wayne. You should sell your tricks, eh? Now, pull my finger.
Death is just another path, Charles, on which we all must take.
Looking? Found someone you have out, Sim?
I don't know who you are, Anakin. If you want midichlorians, I can assure you I don't know the way to Narnia.
Traitors will be made example of.
I'm not saying it doesn't work, Tommy. I'm just saying, it'd do more damage if you fed it to him.
My name is Optimus Prime. I have been brought to Earth to stop Megatron.
Excuse me, Brian, but what are we gonna do tonight?
Narv?
The same thing we try every night, Pinky. We try to take over the world.
And I'm the president of
Patience, Lord Vader. Soon the rebellion will be crushed and young Skywalker will be one of us.
Well, I'm not really sure what I want, but I don't really want to talk to you, asshole!
Hello, Dorothy. I was talking to a goldfish.
Hello there, everybody. It is I, the great government. My kind of woman. Come. Moi, I'm going to sing a chanson. Miss Piggy, can't we do this backstage? Are you Kermit the Frog? Funny. Oh, Mr. Bimbo lives in my finger. Oh, yeah, sure, Lois. You think that's bad?
Hey. Gunter, who told you you can fly? I love Lumpy Space Princess so much. I believe I can never study.
En my axe. En dat still only counts as one. Gisteren nog op het internet, deze week in humor. Een straffe die mij eraf krijgt. Usain Bolt ging eerst, maar werd geklopt door Tony Blair op de Golden League.
Ik besta graag.
Wanneer plots?
Excuseert meneer, ik zou graag op uw neus slaan.
Wat zeg jij, Gertje? Is dit zo'n heel cliché intimatiezon? Ja. Ten eerste de Stalberto. En ten tweede, ik ga koekjes eten.
En dan gaan ze daar allemaal met een rood vlaksken op de grond lopen.
Als die Russische mesjes na alleen maar voor problemen gaan zorgen, dan gaan we er wel iets aan moeten doen.
Ja, het is hier al, hè. Van Dam al, hè. Alles geven, hè. I see trees of green, red rose.
Ruby's on the midway, and Jacob's.
Hello, my dear friends. Ah, tiptoe through the tulips with me.
We told you he was crazy.
No, not master. Master's our friend. Hello, Telly Jaja Comic Relief. Mr. Brack.
Now I'd like to think of myself as an oil man, if that's alright with you. That's enough, HW.
You think your song and dance makes you one with God, Eli?
Hello there, children. How's it going? What bad? Whoa, whoops. Oh, I dropped my monster condom that I use for my magnum dong.
As if I were to say this is beastie, eh? Mum say, you niggy biggy, say.
Oh, wahoo! It's a me, Mario.
Your best. Losers always whine about their best. Winners go home and fuck the prom queen.
Oh, come on, Pluto. Come on, boy. Yep. Gosh. All the world owes me you'll live.
Hey, kids!
Alright, so how's it going? That's what annoys me.
Star Wars Episode 1 of Phantom Menace is the most disappointing thing since number 2.
Oh, gee whiz, Rick. I don't know, Rick. You sure it's safe? Oh, gee, I don't know. Morty, because I don't know everything, Morty.
Ja, mijn benen zaten goed en ik zeg hem vertrekken en ik moest hem laten gaan, maar ik heb toch de zege gepakt.